Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Civic's tire pressure monitoring system. First, always ensure all your tires are properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. You can find this specific PSI on the sticker located inside your driver's side door jamb. It's crucial to have accurate tire pressure before starting the reset process. Once your tires are correctly inflated, park your Civic on a level surface and turn the ignition to the on position. For Honda Civic models equipped with a touchscreen display, the reset process is straightforward. Start by accessing the home screen on your infotainment system. From there, navigate to Settings, then select Vehicle, and finally choose TPMS calibration. Once you're on the TPMS calibration screen, simply select Calibrate to initiate the system reset. You should see a confirmation message on your display. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic resource for financial clarity. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. If your Civic does not have a touchscreen, locate the physical TPMS button, usually to the left of the steering wheel or near the fuse box. With the ignition on, press and hold this button for about 3 to 10 seconds until the tire pressure light blinks twice. After either reset method, you must drive your vehicle for approximately 10 to 30 minutes at speeds above 15 miles per hour for the system to fully recalibrate and the light to turn off.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.